Hi, I'm Marcia Eden.
And I'm Julie Taylor, and we're really excited to be speaking for the first time at this year's UK Hypnosis Convention on Saturday the 15th of November.
We're founders of Hypno for Children, and we help hypnotherapists feel confident, creative and well equipped to work with children and teens.
Because working with children is very different to working with adults. It's playful, it's imaginative and needs a completely different approach.
Since the pandemic, sadly, issues like anxiety, school refusal and low confidence have increased dramatically in children.
So during our talk, we'll explore some common challenges and we'll demonstrate practical ways that you can help, introduce you also to our MindHack System and techniques from our Wellbeing toolbox.
Everyone who joins us will also receive a free gift of an induction and deepness script tailored for young clients.
So if you're ready to make a meaningful impact on children's wellbeing, this is a session you'll want to be a part of.
We look forward to meeting you soon.